Long before the rise of organized religions, Kashmir was home to the Nagas, an ancient people deeply connected to nature and water. The term Naga, in early Kashmiri culture, referred to both the people and the divine serpent spirits they worshipped. These Nagas were guardians of springs, rivers, and lakes, which were considered sacred sources of life. The Naga religion revolved around nature worship. Springs at Verinag, Anantnag, Naranag, etc. were seen as sacred abodes of their deities. The Nagas offered prayers, performed rituals, and sought blessings for fertility, prosperity, and protection. Texts like the Nilamata Purana describe the Nagas as divine beings who played a central role in shaping Kashmiri culture. They were revered as protectors of the valley and its natural resources. Over time, the Naga religion merged with Hinduism and Buddhism, but its essence, the respect for nature and water, remains embedded in Kashmiri traditions to this day. The Nagas remind us of the ancient bond between humans and nature, a bond that continues to shape Kashmir's identity. Follow to uncover more forgotten stories of this mystical land. Explore Kashmir's ancient heritage.